I should have an eye for beauty. You have to have a sharp eyes to discern. Kapag nawala na yung mata ko, wala na rin akong kabuhayan. That's the end of my story as a fashion designer.
What's your story? Welcome back to St. Luke's Patient Perspectives. Mama Renee, what's your story?
Well, I'm a fashion designer to start with. I've been in the business for, let's say, 50 years. That makes me old enough to be, I mean, you know, I'm a super senior citizen already. I am 77 years old, and I come from San Juan, Batangas. And then still, until now, I'm still working on my career, on my passion, which is fashion designing. I was so happy that somebody advised me na, Mama, I think you have to have your eyes na magpa-consult ka na because at your age, kinakailangan mo na clearer na vision mo. Kasi let's face it, kapart na ng aking career should be an eye for, I should have an eye for beauty. Dahil kasi yun ang aking puhunan eh. Aside from your talent as a fashion designer, you have to have a sharp eyes to discern what is the right color, what is the right styling, the right, kahit yung mga minutest detail in arithmetic, pag gumagawa kayo ng pattern, hindi na yung katulad nung araw, ngayon very precise. So, kahit nga yung millimeter, kailangan kitang-kita mo yan. At kung sasalubing ka naman na ganon, napakalaking, very disturbing. Instead na makakonsentrate ka dun sa ginagawa mo, may obstruction. Kasi may suot kang salamin eh. Yun, I was told na magpa-consult sa mata. Sabi ko, sige na nga, kasi kailangan ko ito. Kaysa sa bumili ako ng iba't ibang salamin, iba't ibang lens, pataas ng pataas ang grado, pamahal din ang pamahal ang gagastusin ko, right? So, nung sinabi sa akin ni Doktor, nagpunta agad ako kay Dr. Vicencio. Sabi ko, mabait naman agad, kaya naging at home agad ako. So, nung tiningnan niya ako, meron na po kayo, sabing ganon. Pero, hindi pa naman hinog, pero wag na niyong pahinugin. So, yun, ang sabi ko, sige nga, doktor, kasi I need this really for my, for my career, for my job. Kailangan ko talaga, lahat ng anggulo, kitang-kita ko, maliwanag ang dating sa akin. Lalo ang colors. Kinakailangan, I could not afford to miss the right color for the design, for any particular design. So, ayun, ginawa niya ako. Nung una, sabi ko, Doktor, ano ba ito? Nakakatakot, baka ako'y forever mabulag. Hindi. So, because he was very nice, we were talking nga eh, from the consultation to going to yung naghihintay ng treatment niya, ng operation niya. Hanggang sa on the treatment moment, nagdadaldala kami, and it was really fun. Hindi mo mararamdaman na there's something going on with your face. Nung habang nakaganyan ako, for a while, biglang, ano ito? Wala akong nakikita, puro ilaw la, parang puting-puti, na para kang nasa langit. Ganyan ang tingin ko. Then eventually, nagkakamera na ng figure na lumalabas, may silhouette na. And then after that, lahat ng mga nakikita ko yung mga kaunting mga imperfection sa mata, sa mukha, kitang-kita ko na ang liwanag. Ang ganda nitong ang ganda nito ipamalita sa mga kapatid ko. As a matter of fact, I even asked my sister to come along with me, and then she came also, and then she had her eyes operated na. And she's very grateful dahil nagugulat daw siya. Bakit daw dati ang yellow, light yellow ang tingin niya. Bakit canary yellow lahat? Bakit bright yellow daw? Ganon talaga. At ang white niyan, bluish white. Yun talaga yung ang resulta niyan. Kitang-kita mo talaga lahat. To start with, I have very good experience with St. Luke's. Number one, of course, the branding of St. Luke's is something to reckon with. I mean, you feel confident if you say you are in St. Luke's. All my families kasi, all members of the families kasi, they all went to St. Luke's for medication, and even my doctor for diabetes and other comorbidity. Wala naman ako, diabetes lang naman ako. My advice is, sundan ninyo ang aking iniisip noon na I thought na ang cataract, kasi it's part of living na ata natin. We have to bear with it. Kasi as you grow, as you age, lumalabo ang mata mo. Kasi yun pala, there is this yellow thing na nakabara sa mata mo, and that has to be removed. Kala ko naman, pagdating mo ng mga 90s, okay na yun dahil matanda ka na naman magsalamin ka na lamang. Hindi pala, na-realize ko na it's really very important na kapag natanggal yon, mas marami kang maa-achieve sa buhay, mas marami kang matutulungan sa buhay, at the more na yung iyong career na kung ano man pinasok mo, whether you're a designer or you're a doctor or whatever, if you have that proper eyesight, you will be more better than before. So, wag nang pahinugin. Yun ang term doon. Wag nang pahinugin ang cataract. It's always there. Kaya kung mayroon nandyan, tanggalin na kaagad. Para sa akin, kapag nawala na yung mata ko, wala na rin akong kabuhayan. That's the end of my story as a fashion designer.